Hi, I'm Dr. James Meschino. I created an ebook called The Nutritional Guide to the Prevention of Memory Loss and Alzheimer's Disease. It's available right here. I want to talk to you about the importance of it. Alzheimer's disease is a type of brain dementia that's usually terminal. And although the rate of progression from one person to the next varies to a significant degree, in the long run, the average survival time for someone that has Alzheimer's disease is only about 7 years. And of course, the main feature of Alzheimer's disease is progressive memory loss. But with that, there's also a decline in bodily systems that eventually leads to death over a certain number of years. What's really alarming is that Alzheimer's disease is the 6th leading cause of death that we have in our society. And even if you don't get Alzheimer's disease, I can tell you that we now know, we didn't know this until recently, that after the age of 60, the brain starts to shrink or atrophy at a rate of 1 to 2% per year. So that 10 to 20% of people over the age of 60 already have at least mild cognitive impairment. So these effects on the brain and on our quality of life are really important. And the medical management for Alzheimer's disease is insufficient, it's inadequate, it's not having a huge impact. And in terms of mild cognitive impairment that we get after the age of 60, there are no drugs at all to even help to slow down brain atrophy. And Alzheimer's disease is only in about 1 to 2% hereditary. So most of the risk is coming from the age-related changes to the brain that occur over our lifetime, and from brain damage that we do to ourselves from faulty dietary and lifestyle behaviors. So now recent research has shown this, that we can reverse, prevent, and even slow down the age-related changes to the brain that lead to these problems. So what am I talking about? There are proactive lifestyle strategies that can slow down or even stop to a certain degree the shrinkage of the brain that occurs as you get older. That you can maintain the memory chemical acetylcholine so your memory doesn't drop off. You can maintain normal nerve transmission impulses throughout the brain. You can help block the buildup of the dangerous amyloid plaque that's a hallmark feature of Alzheimer's disease. We also see you can reverse, prevent, or even slow down to a significant degree using dietary and lifestyle practices, brain inflammation. You can improve circulation within the brain itself and block the sugar coating of proteins in the brain, a thing called glycosylation. When you do that, the chance of you having a healthy brain for a long period of time improves significantly. So how do you do this? The answer is you need the right diet, supplementation, and lifestyle plan. Those are the things that have make the biggest difference. So the problem that I have is that most medical doctors haven't really studied nutrition and natural medicine to the extent that's necessary to really help patients in this regard. And they don't emphasize the lifestyle activities, both mental and physical, that are necessary to maintain great brain health as you get older. The truth is, you have to be proactive or you're very likely going to have a brain that shrinks and atrophies, and you're going to be on your way to either dementia or Alzheimer's disease as you get older. And these are really important quality of life issues as well as longevity issues. So you really have to maximize your defense against Alzheimer's and dementia as the years tick away. So I've explained exactly how to do that in the ebook that's available here. It's called The Nutritional Guide to the Prevention of Memory Loss and Alzheimer's Disease. Now, what I've put in the ebook are all the scientific references, so you know that you're getting only the best evidence-based information. It's not something I dreamed up. It's not my theory. I'm not speculating. I'm showing you the actual clinical studies on humans to show the value of specific dietary practices, the role of nutritional supplements, and lifestyle activities that have been shown to preserve your mental capacities. If that's not important to someone, then I don't know what is. So you really should download it right now. It's one of those must-have, must-know booklets, and all the information in there is extremely valuable. So please download it now, and I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.